Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 20, Your Lordship.
20.
I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Who's the other side?
Save, Your Lordship.
Yes. No objection?
No objection.
As requested by the Lord Counsel for the petitioner, this is met after 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Deploy.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17 to 19. These are connected matters. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Lordship, in this matter due to personal
other side?
difficulties. Mr. M.U.M.
For the
is here.
petitioner.
I've informed.
You have no objection.
No objection.
I'm for respondent number 4.
And who are the other respondents?
State.
State anthem.
No. Yes, ma'am. Just say the request made on behalf of the respondent number so and so. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
After 2 weeks.
17,
Nice
18,
one.
19. Okay. Yes.
Once, please.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
You are making mention on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
I'm for the respondent.
Any objection?
No objection, madam.
When?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Same order. Item 11. Yes, 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, may I beg to mention item number 5?
Yes.
In this case, Your Lordship, government has filed the affidavit, but they didn't give us a copy, Your Lordship.
Who is the state?
Yes.
Who is appearing for the state here?
Army and Bhattaji
I'm there.
No, you have not filed, supplied a copy of the affidavit.
My lord, I'm praying for a week time, my lord. Number 5.
Yes, for petitioner. Who is there for petitioner?
Petitioner.
Yes, Mr. Sangresho.
I'm for the petitioners. I have received the affidavit, madam.
Yes,
I'm
then
ready for hearing.
the private respondent says that he has not received.
You're supposed to serve to him also.
No, no objection.
Well, since he is not received, then it is difficult for me to press.
Are Devnath Learned Council applying for the respondent number so and so submits that the affidavit. What is the affidavit?
Affidavit filed by the state.
No, but there are how many affidavits? The affidavit filed on which date?
Well, it's 17th October, madam.
17th October.
October. My
Not been.
We'll provide him.
The affidavit dated 17th October so and so filed on behalf of the state respondent has not been supplied to him. Mr. Gurum, Mr. R. Gurum, Learned GA. Praise for grant of 1 is time to supply a copy of the same to the supply copy of the same to the private respondent number so and so. That's prayed for by the parties. Is this matter after a week?
5 and 7, madam. 5 and 7. 5 and 6.
Yes.
6.
Deputy.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 22, Lordship.
Item number 23.
22, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I humbly pray this matter become up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
You are applying for the appellant.
Yes, Lordship.
Madam, I'm for the state respondents. No objection, madam.
As requested by the Learned Council for the appellant, this is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 14, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship, as the senior conducting counsel is not ready, Your Lordship.
My lord, no objection. Let it be 3 weeks, my lord.
Just at the request made on behalf of the petitioner, this is matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, lordship.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 3. I'm praying for a week's time.
It's old matter, 2016 matter.
Yes, sir, my lord.
Yes.
No, no objection, Lordship.
Yes, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioners and not objected to by the respondent. This is matter after
A week.
after 1 week. Yes. Yes.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21.
Item number
21. Lordship, can you have this matter after 2 weeks, Lordship?
yes, Mr. Khan. Sorry, there is
Similar prayer for item number 7, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. The request of the petitioner. Item 7. Who is there for the other side?
Mrs. Bhattacharjee is appearing for the respondent, Your Lordship.
No one is there.
I'll inform them, Your Lordship.
This also after 2 weeks. The request. Yes.
Right, Your Lordship.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship.
Item
4.
Item 4.
Lordship, due to some medical urgency in the family, Your Lordship, senior counsel cannot. Sir.
Medical emergency, Lordship, can't help it. Matters is pending for no reason.
Lordship, my apology, Your Lordship.
Just say. Whose medical emergency? On the request of the petitioner seeking a recommendation and not objected to by the learned appearing for the state, comma, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, similar prayer for item 8.
Item?
Item 8.
Item 9.
8, Your Lordship. 8.
Yes.
My lord, for the state respondents, no objection, my lord.
How many respondents are there?
The state, my lord. I'm preparing for the state.
You said it's for the state respondent. So we thought that there are some other respondents. At the request of the petitioner list of records. Yes.
Lordship, item 10 and 12 as well, Your Lordship.
So what remains then?
I'm in 10, my lord, for the state.
For the BSA.
Attempt 10. This also on request made by the petitioners seeking accommodation and not objected by the learned counsel for the respondents. So list this matter after 2 weeks. 10
Item
and 12.
12, Your Lordship. 12, this is that EPF matter, Your Lordship.
Then who is there in 12 respondent?
Lordship, Miss P. Bhattacharjee, Your Lordship.
So what is to be done?
Lordship, Lordship, I am repeat that this matter may come up next week, Your Lordship. For item 12.
No, but then where is the other side?
Lordship, I'll inform the other side, Your Lordship.
Yes, 12 also are the request made on behalf of the petitioner. This is matter after?
Oh, next week, Your Lordship. Next week.
After 1 week.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
You inform the other side.
Lordship. Lordship, item 15 also is legally matter again, Your Lordship. Similar.
Yes. What happened?
Similar matters pending before division bench, Your Lordship. This is legally matter, Your Lordship.
Oh, that is the issue is pending before item 15.
Yesterday the hearing did not apply.
Yes, at the joint request of the parties, this is matter after 3 weeks. That matter, when it is coming up, the division?
It was yesterday, my lord.
What happened?
The other side remained absent.
Other side means the petitioners.
So it has been posted after 2 weeks. 15 and 16.
The trial is going on, I think there is there any stay?
No, my lord. Trial is going on.
Yes. Okay, this is joint request of the parties, list after 3 weeks. Yes. Item 15. Alright.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. No, in here.
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for further 2 weeks, Lordship.
That is a matter which was argued by a lawyer from.
Yes, Lordship. From Guwahati, Mr.
Yes,
R.
what
Mohan.
happened?
So I'm just.
It was heard at some length.
Alright, Lordship.
And maybe we got stuck in on some points, some legal points, which needed clarification. Yes.
I have no objection, Your Lordship.
This is also at the request of made on behalf of the petitioner and not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondent. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Alright.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 1.
Last order is just correct.
Your Lordship, in this matter, a similar matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court and is likely to be listed on 12th of November. As such, I'm praying for
So
3
we will adjourn it by 4 weeks. Another 4 weeks?
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the identical matter pending before the apex court. The identical matter before the apex court is still pending disposal. Stop. In view of the submission, in view of the submission, this is matter after 4 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged, Your Lordship. Item number 13.
Yes. The petitioner. Mr. Marpan.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Nobody is there. What is the matter about, Mr. Abram?
This is actually the conducting counsel. They said he's on leg before another court. Actually, the brief is not with me, Your Lordship. I tender my apology, Your Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner. Mr. H. Abraham is present. He is present on behalf of the respondents, state respondents. You are so and so. How many respondents are there?
Altogether 7 years.
Lordship, this was a case where there was the wall had come down. There was a collapse of the wall, and they had come. The councils from Guwahati had come down.
This is the case.
That is the case.
It was hard at some length.
It was.
Yes, there was some heavy rain,
Yes,
something
my
like that.
lords. Yes, my lords.
And then I think the retaining wall collapsed.
That's right, my lords.
And none appears for so and so. For the petitioner, you just record presence of so and so, so and so. List is better after 2 weeks.
Highly beloved.
Item number 16.
Yes, Mr. Pasa, what is this?
So this is a criminal revision challenging the order of the trial court where it has rejected my prayer for discharge. Now the trial is proceeding under 302 amongst other sections.
302 case. You are discharged.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'll take straight away to the FIR. You may have at page 9.
The file is at page?
Page 9. Translated copy is at page 10.
Yes.
I'll just read out the FIR. We, the family members of so-and-so, resident of so-and-so, would like to inform you in connection with the incident, within brackets, murder, related to Pindablang shooting. He went missing from his house since 16 July at 10 p.m. along with his vehicle bearing number so-and-so. He received a call from one unknown person. On receiving the call, he went out of the house without informing us, the family members. We tried calling him in the phone, but no one was picking up the phone. On 17/7/2022 at 3 p.m. we got to speak with one lady, namely Smiti Iba, who found the mobile of his brother from the road along with slippers, but she took only the mobile phone. We, the family, on receiving the call after talking with Smiti Iba, who found the lost mobile phone, they went and informed the police outpost, which is located at Sorankam on Sunday. Thereafter, along with the police personnel, went to search him from the place where the mobile was found, but all in vain. On 18/7/2022, the police personnel went and searched for him in the same place, found his dead body on the side of the road at Shillong Joy Road, Sorankam, Mokdir, at 9 a.m., but the vehicle was still missing and untraceable. In this regard, we, the family member, request your good office to take stern action against the unknown culprit and punish him as per the section of law. Now, after this FIR investigation was...
There is a report that the victim was disappeared.
First disappeared.
And subsequently his body was
found his dead body in Sorankam.
He was a driver.
No, Your Lordship, he was driving his own vehicle.
He had his own vehicle.
Now, I'll take to the chart sheet at page 14 on how I've been connected to the incident. Chart sheet begins at page 14, but the relevant portion will start from page 24.
Page 24.
Page 24.
Yes.
Starts from 9:15 p.m. Information received and staff debuted.
Yes.
I'll just read out. Now, one Sri Nelang Suting, son of so-and-so, resident so-and-so, West Jaintia Hills, appeared at so-and-so and verbally reported that one Pendaplang Suting 30 years, son of so and so, left his house at Thanmako around 10:30 p.m. at the night on 16/7 with Bolero pickup bearing ML10C 3104, and when his wife has contacted his number, being this number 5387, and has been received by Smiti Baya Kemenlang Kharsunai of Maulandap village, East Kasiels, and stated she recovered the phone from Mauklir Sorankham. Accordingly, on receipt of the information, SIA Shanpur along with available staff along with informant left OP and proceeded to the house of Smiti Baya Kemenlang Karunai at Maulandap, East Kasiels. On arrival at Maulandap, Sorankham met Baya Kemenlang, and during the inquiry learned from her that the 17/7 evening around 3 she went to Mauklir viewpoint along with some kids for evening walk, and suddenly she found one mobile phone from nearby the area and then took the mobile phone and kept with her. Later, after some time, she got a phone call from one lady who claimed that the mobile phone belongs to her husband, Shri Pendaplang Suting. Accordingly, Baya Kemenlang Kursuna, accompanied by her parents, led them to the place where she found the mobile phone, and reaching the place after thorough search, one pair of chappal, brown and black colors, were found from few yards from the place where the mobile was recovered. So the investigation firstly is based on this recovered mobile phone of the deceased person. Now out of that mobile phone, your lordship, certain numbers were retrieved of whom he contacted last. Lordship, I'll take page 29. If you may have, it's the extract of the CDR.
It's also a part of charge sheet?
Part of charge sheet.
Yes.
We have page 29.
Yes.
Under the heading of requisition submitted for CDR.
Yes.
Just begin at the bottom, your lordship. Analysis of the CDR of the victim reveals. Your lordship has it.
Yes.
Reveals that one mobile number 8798171121 suspected to be used by the accused person, later revealed to be used by late I Love You Talang. This I Love You is the prime accused in this matter. He has already passed away at the time of investigation. Was communicating with the victim person since 15/7 at 12:20 12 hours. Further analysis reveals that the victim was in close contact with this mobile phone number till 11/6. Moreover, on analysis of the mobile towers as provided here, is evident that the victim person got a call from the suspect number so and so, and tower location of the victim was showing Madan Rating, Thatlaskan, PS Jawai District, West India Hills. However, after received the suspect phone call, location shifted to village Nartiang. After suspect number so and so again called the victim. At 11/6/77, the location of the victim, while again answering the call from the suspect number, shows village Orankham, East Kaisal, which the approximate location where the body of the victim was recovered. So this prime accused at the time of the incident, his tower location showed that he was at the place where the incident took place. And this was the number which he had used, the prime accused, I Love You Talang.
That is, so far as I Love You Talang is concerned.
I Love You Talang.
Okay. This paragraph is concerned with I Love You.
To that.
Yes. Then
Prime accused. Now, the phone number of that person, I Love You Talang, was also taken out for CDR. Just see the next para, your lordship, will be analysis of the suspect number used by I Love You Talang. Let me just have this. At the beginning itself, states that as per the customer application form received from the service provider, the user and the mobile number is as follow. Name of the subscriber, Janisha Shadab.
yes.
So the phone number itself is not registered in the name of the prime accused, but on some other person named by Janisha Shadab. We'll come to that, or how this mobile number came to be used by the prime accused. Now, a statement of Smiti Janisha Shadab is recorded in which she stated that she is unaware how SIM card registered in her name was used in the said offence. She further stated that the vendor Shri Bidhar was a SIM card retailer having a shop Boy Rimbong Riboy district might have misused her epic while she went to apply for a new SIM card from him in the month of September 2021. Further, during recording statement, she stated that she will lodge an FIR at Khanapara Riboy district and the vendor Shri Bidhar. So she has stated that somebody has misused her phone number. We didn't dispute that. Maybe it was correct.
She is not an accused in this
She is
case.
not an accused. Now the next line is analysis of the suspect number revealed that IMEI of the phone used by the suspect I Love You Talang is so and so. The number was in contact with phone number 600 on the following occasion. Now this
number is yours.
No, this is not mine. This is of another accused person by the name of Ramesh Dar.
Yes. He is also not an accused.
He is an
Ramesh Dar
accused. This other person where the next phone number appears the 609, he is also co-accused in the same matter. So here details of outgoing call is on 16/7 and 17/7. Para 3 states that it may be noted that as per the CDR analysis of the tower location of 879 so and so used by I Love You Talang reveals that the accused person was present in the area around Umulong up till 1945 8 hours on 16/7. I Love You Talang then started to move Sorankam on so and so at 17/7/2020, would reveal that the accused person had travelled from Umulong towards Sorankam the night of the 16/7 and places him in the vicinity of the place of occurrence where the body of the victim was recovered, as well as during the period in which there was a telephonic exchange between the victim and I Love You Talang. Now we'll also may have page 31. The entire CDR is of the prime accused first of the I Love You Talang. It shows that he was in and around the vicinity of the area where the incident took place. Now if you have page 31 under C, Your Lordship.
Analysis of CF and CDR.
Yes,
Phone
sir.
number?
This is phone number 8798
Yes.
used by accused person Ramesh Dakhar.
Yes.
So prime accused I Love You had contacted this person also at a time, similar time during the incident.
But then Ramesh Dakhar here, number here and number there is different here. That 60098 is not Ramesh Dakhar then. Ramesh Dakhar is 87988.
So 6095387 is the victim's phone number, not of Ramesh.
60098 65387 is whose number?
It's the victim's, the deceased person, Pendaplang shooting.
That is victim's number.
Yes, sir. Then the other number 8798 177121 is used by, suspected to be used by I Love You Talang.
77121.
Yes.
That is all right. But then come to this now. Come to Ramesh Dakhar.
Yes, sir. Under analysis of CAF and CDR of 87987 used by accused person Ramesh Dakhar. The name of the subscriber is Ramesh Dakhar. That's all there, Your Lordship. Now CDR analysis of the suspect number revealed that he was using a phone number so and so, Nokia so and so. IMEI connected to the phone number is so and so. That between 16/7 and 18/7 he was in contact with a deceased person, I Love You Talang, on several occasions. It's clearly evident that the CDR analysis the phone number of the accused person Ramesh Dakhar that on the night of 16/7 and early morning of 17/7 he was moving from West Jaintia Hills, East Khasi Hills, and thereafter proceeded to Kalyan area of Kachar district, Assam on Monday 17/7/2022. That he again entered Meghalaya Ratachera on the night of 17/7/2022 about 20:45 hours. Now this is also merely to show that I Love You and this other accused person Ramesh Dakhar were in contact during the time of incident. Also, I'll come to the phone number which is of the most importance at next page is 32.
Yes.
Analysis of CDR of 6074166 of Smiti Mirsi Moro, wife of accused person Jiving Mitlian. That is me, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Analysis of the, I'll come directly to analysis of the CDR reveals that the phone number is connected with IMEI so and so, that late I Love You Talang had communicated this number prior and during the commission of said offence on the following occasion: on 14/7/2022 at 17:01 17 hours and 17/7/2022 at 13:04 41 hours. Now we also may also peruse the statement.
What is the date of death?
The date of death is
The date of the alleged
incident is just
16/7 or
I'll just confirm.
see the FIR. Just
Yes,
one
sir.
FIR will.
Which was between 16 and 17, but the date was never established.
16 and 7. Okay, all right.
Now, Lordship, if you may produce the statement was written under the heading Statement of Mercy Moro.
Yes.
Lordship may also note that this statement is not under any section 161 or 164.
Why?
There's no statement as such, but if only reflected in the charge sheet that she has made this statement.
But then can it be implied that no statement has been recorded?
Also, because of any.
Where is the requirement that has to be?
Lordship, if you produce the charge sheet, other witnesses' statements are recorded under 161, all of them, except for this person known by Mercy Moro, my wife.
No, but the statement appears here.
The appears here, but
so whether it is correct or not, that can be revealed only at the stage of trial.
Yes, sir.
Then anyway, go through.
So she stated that Shri Mujumi claims her husband and stayed together in Mubakan village, Nartiang, West Jantia Hills, and having 3 children. She is a housewife but sometimes used to help her husband by going to cultivation in their own farming field. She further stated that the mobile phone seized belonged to her as she bought it by herself, and her husband, Shri Jiving, does not have his own mobile phone, and whenever her husband required to contact his relative or friend, he used to ask for a mobile phone for contacting them. But she had no idea that her husband misused her mobile to receive or call late I love you Talang for committing crimes. She further added that her husband did not take any phone with him on 16/7 and when he left home, and since he did not return home on the night of 16/7, she had called on the number of I love you Talang on 17/7 at 13/4 to inquire about her husband, since she knew that she had gone with him. She added that she was able to talk to the accused person during Matliang, and he told that he would return home in the evening.
So 16/7 also you did not return home?
No, Your Lordship. As per the statement only. But this statement is of
whatever
my wife.
It is, that is a statement of your wife.
Yes, Lordship. And my contention is this statement, which is of high importance, was not recorded in the manner
We'll
it should.
just see what the government says about that.
Now,
Interestingly,
Before yes.
My friend continues. Could I have some personal difficulty? If this matter can come tomorrow, man.
Should have said it before.
Yes, my friend
Lordship,
started, so I didn't want to disturb, man.
Lordship, if I can complete, then he may begin on the next date also.
See, hearing and piecemeal, it becomes very difficult. That is the main thing. Of course, your thing, so far as anyway, you just continue. Let him finish. Because I don't think what is the point. This is the only one point.
The entire thing. There are 3 arguments that I have to make.
One is that there exists no
the most important
statement under
161. That is my amongst other grounds. That is one of the grounds.
Yes, and
the
then
most important ground is that this mobile phone allegedly used by I love you Talang was never seized. We do not know how this phone number has been connected to I love you Talang. When the mobile phone itself was never seized.
Which phone was never seized? Which one?
The one of I love you Talang.
That has never been seized.
Because everything begins from this phone number.
So far as your reading is concerned, it appears that everything has been revealed from that phone.
From that phone. And also to supplement this submission, Your Lordship, will be on the basis that...
Just a minute. Is it not, so supposing if it is not seized, would it mean the information derived from it will not be admissible in law?
Your Lordship, exactly, that's my point. When the mobile phone was never seized.
That is what you tell us, what the law says.
Now, Your Lordship, the entire case is on the basis of CDRs, call detail records. And these call detail records are not even proper call detail record, they are merely call logs, which does not reveal the communication, which if we had or anything, but merely call logs between the accused persons. Now, Your Lordship, if we proceed this trial on the basis of CDR, then will be... There's nothing else but CDR being used in this instant case, Your Lordship. Against Ramesh Dekhar, maybe co-accused, maybe...
Oh, CDR is not admissible as electronic evidence.
So, CDR alone cannot be basis for proceeding for even for trial, Your Lordship. I cannot be convicted on the basis of CDR itself.
Which way a trial takes shapes finally, that we do not know. But then, you see, at this stage, what we see that we do not look for any conclusive proof.
Yes, sir.
What we look for is that whether there is a prima facie case.
If there's any.
Even if you say that there is no CDR, even it's a call log only, that also can be a basis for proceeding. Okay. Now, whether there is any supporting evidence or not, that will be seen at the stage of trial.
In my humble submission, if the materials on record does not have any other corroborative evidence to support the CDR, then Your Lordship, the proceeding for trial would not be justified. Only if there's any other corroborative
See-
evidence that would
see-
support the
what is
prosecution.
what the law says at this stage? What is the proposition of law? So far as this case, especially 302 is concerned. Two things. I do not know. You just, if court is wrong, you correct. The law says that at this stage, for quashing a case which is a murder case, which is a heinous crime, what requires to be established before the court is that there must be an indication that accused is innocent. Now that assumption we can draw only when there appears nothing on record to connect you with the commission of the crime. But then it appears from what you have read out that directly or indirectly you have been connected, and basically you see that connection becomes stronger when it is found that maybe at that relevant point of time you were not present at your home, so you did not come back. Now only thing is that all these things basically makes out a case for trial against you. Doesn't point out your innocence. Rather gives an assumption that you may be involved. Now whether it's maybe is really is or not, that is what is the purpose of trial. Now, of course, it's why you see. It's all right. We'll definitely ask the state about all those things, other aspects, about the things. So you say that this phone of the victim of the
Prime accused.
yes, the phone of the victim was never seized.
Phone of victim has been seized is there. The phone of the prime accused, which they first connected the entire matter with I Love You Talang, was never seized.
Okay, it
And
means the phone of the prime accused, that means late I Love You. Now that is the basis
of
basing on which you have been made.
Exactly, on that phone as such.
So if it is not seized, how that this CDR details was revealed?
Exactly, the CDR details reveals that the phone number does not even belong to I Love You as per the name of the subscriber. I've read that.
Anyway, whatever the allegation, let us go by what they say.
Now,
That was
if the phone number.
Now, if you say that phone, particular phone, which was alleged to have been used by I Love You, has never been seized.
Never been seized.
Then the call record details of that phone, how it could be retrieved?
The entire how that phone number came to play was only from the mobile phone of
What is the phone number of I Love You, which was alleged to have been used by I Love You?
It's 8798 177 121, mentioned at page 30.
879. Okay.
8177 121. This was the last phone number which was in contact, which came out from the phone of the victim. The victim had contacted this phone number before the entire incident happened.
Now, see at page 30. Page 30 of the chart sheet.
Yes.
Paragraph B. It says analysis of CDR and CF of the suspect. What is CAF? That heading, the line
Yes,
B,
sir.
paragraph B.
Also, I'll just
Please come to page 30.
CR and CF.
It is the customer application form.
Customer application form. Now, Mr. Pasa, what you will say about this? This charge sheet at page 30, paragraph B reveals analysis of CDR and CAF of the suspect of so and so. Now it seems that there was an analysis.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you want to say that this analysis could not have been possible without seizing the phone?
Your Lordship, it is possible, but to conclusively determine that this phone was used by all of you.
We are just do not remain under any confusion at this stage. We are not basically concerned with the conclusiveness of the evidence.
Yes, sir.
Only the prima facie.
Whatever is materials on record is.
So that is where you see, like, should not make any argument under misconception. We know, we can understand that yes, may not be treated as a conclusive proof.
Yes.
But then whether this analysis has any truth involved or not, that can be revealed at the time of trial. That is what, if you say something else, then you have to please us know. Anyway, so that is what your submission is. Okay, that, and what else?
So that's my first submission. The second submission is.
Your first submission was that there was no 161 statement of the wife of the accused.
The second is
of the petitioner here.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, and then
the second
thing is that
the mobile phone used by the prime accused was never seized.
One of the private this thing was not seized. The third thing is that
there's no other corroborative piece of evidence that would support the CDR.
Yeah. Yes.
So these are my three grounds here which I approach this court for.
So that is what, based on this ground, you are seeking quashing of this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Gurung.
Yes, Malak.
When you can reply?
Any date.
Monday or Friday, man?
Next week. We'll go to next week. Friday we have a holiday. 8th is a holiday. So it will go to next week.
12th is holiday.
See about these things. He has, what about those things, that part 161 statement, missing of that statement of wife?
If that 161 statement was there, Your Lordship, then maybe the prosecution could have gone for trial.
No, that
because
is
that is
right.
very important.
See, there's something, not just because not appended with charge sheet, cannot be said that it doesn't exist. Now, what is the base of this statement appearing in the charge sheet? The onus will be on the prosecution to show it. If they fail, then only.
Yes, sir.
But then, if there is a statement, you see Bhajanlal's case. That is the judgment which has been followed. The proposition of law which has been held to be good till date. Now, what the law says is that whatever is stated in the charge sheet, by treating it as truth, if no case is made out, then definitely there will be a case of quashing. But then, the evidence basing on which this recording has been made, it is not to be examined. So, our jurisdiction that way is confined. Yes. So, I'll just say, had Mr. A. Pasal and counsel for the petitioners, and also Mr. R. Gurung, learned GA appearing for the state respondents at some length. See that next week stuff as requested by the parties. This is matter again after 1 week. Yes. It's good. Make a precise argument is better. Instead of going here, there.
Yes, sure.
It's direct. That should be the way a counsel argues.
Yes.
No.